Hey guys, it's Abby here. I opened up this printer and on the side I found this little clip. And if you're wondering where that clip goes to, it actually goes to the tube guiding. So when we look at this clip, there's two sides. We'll see that one of the sides is just more of a flat L, and then the other side, I'll say it looks more like a staircase. There's just two stairs. So here's our tube guiding, and we'll see that there's two clips already on there, but they look different and they go under the tubes. This one goes on top of the tubes. So I flipped the camera position around and we're looking the other way. So I want to show you how to put it in and what's the correct way. So we'll see that there's the two stairs, and the two stairs of the clip is going to face inside of the printer. Then just the regular L is going to face towards the outside of the printer, where your paper would eject outwards towards you. The best way to do this is to put the staircase in first, the two stairs in first, towards the inside of the printer, and then you can just push forward and then put in the L. It's really not hard. I don't think you'll hear too much of a big click or anything, but once you put it in there, just give it a little pull up, push forward and everything to make sure that's not going to snap back out. But now you've put the clip back in there, and that will avoid us from getting any other kind of errors like a paper jam. And that way people say, I don't see any paper, but maybe it was a clip. So hope you enjoyed this video. Happy printing, everyone.